Hi Rossi babes, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will show you 2 ways on how to create a classic look that never goes out of style, a French manicure. Keep watching to learn all of our tips and tricks on achieving this gorgeous, classy pink and white look. To start your manicure, you'll have to push back your cuticles first. Make sure there's no dead tissue left on your nails. Any remaining cuticle will interfere with the adhesion of the dip to the nail plate. Next, lightly buff your nails. Make sure you are removing all that shine from the natural nail. This will make the manicure stick longer. Now, it's time to pick a perfect base color for you. With our huge selection of colors, we're certain you'll be able to find your perfect shade on our website. For the white tip, we recommend you to use Snow White or Alpine Snow. They look very similar, but Alpine Snow is slightly more cool-toned. You can create a French smile line directly in the Rossi jar, or you can use a Glam powder tray. It's up to you. To use a tray, pour a generous amount of powder inside. Lightly shake it to create an even surface. Next, apply Rossi base coat a hairline away from the cuticle. Then go ahead and dip your nail into the white nail powder at an angle to create a perfect French smile line. Pull straight up and tap off the excess. Then pour some pink Glam powder on the rest of the nail. It's better to pour the powder rather than to dip. Dipping the nail might cause the colors to blend together. Next, brush off the excess powder. Apply another thin and even layer of Rossi base. You can create a smile line with just the powder in the jar, but it is a bit more tricky. Dip just the tip of the nail and slightly move your finger from side to side. Make sure to align it to the previous smile line. Pull straight up and tap off the excess. Pour pink powder on the rest of the nail. Tap off and brush excess powder. Next, apply Rossi activator and wait 2 minutes for the nail to harden. Pour the powder from the tray back to the container so nothing goes to waste. When the nails have fully hardened, buff them to smooth out and refine the surface. Use both sides of the buffer, finishing with the smoother side. Wipe with alcohol to remove dust. Apply 2 layers of Rossi top coat. Allow the first layer to dry for 2 minutes. Apply the second layer and wait for 3 to 5 minutes for the nails to fully dry. Moving on to the second method, we will dip the rest of the nails into Dress to Impress, a perfect soft pink shade. Apply a thin, even layer of base coat and immediately dip into the powder. Remember to dip the nail into the powder at a 45-degree angle to ensure a smooth powder surface. Tap the finger to remove excess powder. Brush off excess powder with a clean, fluffy brush after finishing one hand. Don't brush off straight away. It's better to let the base absorb the powder. Apply another layer of Rossi base coat this time, even closer to the cuticle area, and dip into the powder 1 nail at a time. Dip at a 45-degree angle. Brush off the excess powder with a clean, fluffy brush. Liberally apply Rossi activator and wait for 2 minutes for the nail to harden. File the nails to achieve the preferred thickness and shape. Go over the entire surface to even out any imperfections. Leave the surface a little rough and don't buff them. Remove any filing dust using a lint-free white pad soaked in alcohol. Grab a bottle of white gel polish and drag the brush up out of the bottle while wiping the brush on the rim of the bottle. The goal is to push the gel towards one side of the brush and pick up a small amount. To help with symmetry, create a guide. Paint a line across and then connect the sides. Don't worry if you made a mistake. You can simply wipe it away with alcohol and start over. Gel polish won't dry until it's placed in the lamp. Square nails should have a shallow smile arch, while oval, round, and almond shapes should have a deeper smile line for a sleek illusion. You can also mirror the shape of your cuticles, as this will be more flattering. Another trick you can do is to dip a clean paintbrush in some alcohol and correct the line where the white meets the pink. Keep brushing until you achieve the desired look. When you're happy with the result, cure for 30 seconds in the Rossi LED nail lamp. Seal and protect your designs with an even layer of Rossi gel top coat. This will leave the nails with a high glossy shine. Cure for 60 seconds in the Rossi LED lamp. Apply Rossi Nourish Cuticle Oil. Dullness can be caused by applying cuticle oil before the top coat has properly cooled after curing, so remember to let your nails cool down for a moment. Apply cuticle oil regularly to keep your nails and cuticles healthy. Thanks for watching! French smile lines are works of art that need continuous practice, so don't worry if you don't get it perfect on the first go. Let us know in the comments which method you're going to try first. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more weekly tutorials. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. Stay home, stay safe.